bottle green cover, dupatta with this flare cut and full sequence work envelope.
Actually, I have no words to express.
Yes.
Hello and a very warm welcome to another episode of Metro Heights. My name is Athar. Hope you guys are doing great. तो फ्रेंड्स, जो आज हम शॉप एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है SS Garments, which is based out in Malad West, Mumbai. And basically they are manufacturers and wholesalers. Minimum buying criteria is at least 8 to 10 pieces. Deliveries across the world. COD option is available, however within India only. होलसेल बायर्स के लिए काफ़ी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है क्योंकि यहाँ पर काफ़ी रीजनेबल रेट्स में आपको हैवी ड्रेसेस मिल सकते हैं और आज के आर्टिकल्स होने वाले अगेन सुपर एक्साइटिंग लाइक गाउन्स, क्रॉप टॉप्स, वन पीस, इंडो वेस्टर्न्स एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. देयर इज मच मोर टू एक्सप्लोर, तो स्टे ट्यून्ड गाइस. Hello and a very warm welcome to another episode of Metro Heights. My name is Athar. Welcome sir, very warm welcome to our channel Metro Heights sir. Could you please introduce yourself and tell us something about your shop?
Yes sir, my name is Naveen and my shop is in Malad, Mumbai Malad, and my brand name is SS Garment.
SS Garments.
Yes, and we are into manufacturing since 25 years. And
what do you deal in actually?
Yeah, we deal in gowns, lehenga, choli, plazo and gararas.
Okay.
And minimum quantity.
What about crop tops?
Yes, crop tops also.
Achha.
And all these fancy designs we make, and we are 100% manufacturer and we make quality products, and this is all very nice pieces and very running designs we make.
Running designs.
Yes sir.
So could you please tell us about what are we going to cover in today's episode? What all articles are you going to show us?
Yes, I'm going to show you gowns, lehenga, choli, plazo and gararas.
Okay.
And all these designs I will show you in this videos.
Okay.
And my minimum quantity would be 8 to 10 pieces.
Okay, minimum buying requirement is 8 to 10.
Yes.
Pieces.
Any design and any size and any color.
Customers can mix and match and buy.
Mix and match and buy 8 to 10 pieces. It should be minimum small parcel.
Okay.
And free home delivery is all over India.
Okay, you provide free shipping within India.
No extra charges for courier. No extra charges.
Excellent.
For shipping all over India. And free COD also we provide, cash on delivery in India.
So it's my request, viewers, as usual, please do not skip the video. Please watch the video from start till the end so that you don't miss on any of the articles. Alright, and if you like any of the products here at this shop, you may take the screenshot and share it with the shop owner so that you get the delivery on time. Right? So let's quickly explore this shop. Stay tuned guys. So could you please show the first article?
Yes sir. Sir, this is a georgette fabric and I have made it on zari work.
Zari work.
Yes, it's a Kali style, anarkali Kali style.
All right.
Peplon suit.
Okay.
And it's a Garara suit.
Okay, it's with Garara.
Garara,
actually.
yes sir. Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Its bottom also it's work.
Okay. And I think one more important point, sir. What about sizes?
Sizes, sir, I make L, XL and double XL. My L is 38.
Okay.
XL is 42 and double XL is 46.
And what about plus sizes, sir?
Yes.
Like 46, 48, 52, 56?
Yes sir, I make till 50 size, that is my 3XL size, but
Okay.
it goes in my export.
Export.
Like yes, Africa and all that other countries.
Okay.
my regular go.
So my dear viewers, if at all you have concern about the sizes, you may always call up the shop owner or you can message them. They will definitely help you with the sizes actually.
Yes sir.
All right. So moving on to the next article. Yes sir.
So I made it with sequence material and it's a two-tone shaded shaded Garara.
Okay,
and
dual tone. Okay.
yes, dual tone, Gajri and cream color, and I've made it with handwork.
Handwork.
This is
Look
Kardana.
at the look at the are these false is it false mirror or is it real mirror?
No, real mirror,
Okay,
sir.
real mirror
Yes,
work.
sir.
And with Kardana.
Kardana
work. Okay.
Yes, sir. And
All
knee-
right.
and down bottom with Gajri
And
color.
what is the fabric used for Garara?
Georgette
sir?
fabric. Georgette fabric.
And
Pure.
wonderful. Okay, moving on to the next article.
Sir, turquoise blue color.
Turquoise blue color.
Yes, sir. And neem jari work with Gajri and pink shade. And I've made it with stone touch up.
Okay, could you please show the entire suit actually
Yes,
so
sir.
that our viewers can get an idea about the length basically. Could you please yes, put it in right angle? Yeah. Perfect. So we have dividers with this
Yes, sir.
top and
Bottom is with
plazo along with the dupatta.
Yes, along with dupatta.
All three?
Yes, sir.
And
with
dupatta is on
hangings-
net, I believe.
Yes, and hangings were
With
hangings
tussle.
also, Tussles.
All
yes, sir.
right. Okay, my dear viewers, I think prices are not revealed in this video purely due to business reasons. Okay, if at all you want to know the prices, you can message the shop owner. They will help you with the rate list. All right. Yeah.
So
What about this kurti, sir?
pink color. Pink
With
color
sequence
Karara,
work?
sequence work.
Okay.
Yes, and bottom is
With bell sleeves?
Yes, sir. Bell sleeves, and
Okay.
bottom is with Garara, layered
Okay.
Garara.
Layered Garara.
Yes, sir.
This looks awesome actually. Something new, something different. All right.
3 layers, different layers, and front back work.
Wonderful, wonderful. Moving on to the next article. Yes.
Chanderi suit with paperwork, embroidery and sequence work, and full front work, and bottom is with pant.
Okay. Look at the work, viewers. There is Gota work, also Gotapati work, along with sequence work, and a lot of embroidery all over the suit. And look at the sleeves. I think sleeve also have very decent embroidery on it, along with the Gotapati detailing on it. And this comes with
Bottom pant.
and dupatta
Dupatta.
in chiffon, I believe.
Yes, sir. Chiffon
All
dupatta.
right, excellent. And with taping also, there is no taping. Okay, excellent. Next article.
Tissue fabric. And
Okay, this is front open design.
Yes, sir.
With portly buttons, and you have sequence work along with embroidery. Okay, and show the bottom parts.
It's called Sipli work, sir.
Sipli work.
Yes,
okay.
sir. And bottom is with Dupian pant, Dupian silk.
Dupian silk. Okay, the fabric used for the bottom is Dupian silk, and what about
net
dupatta? Sir? Net dupatta
Net
with all over
dupatta.
taping, 4-side
Yes,
taping.
sir. And
All
front
right.
back work.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Pista
Simply
green.
elegant. All right. Do we have colors in this?
Sir, 2 colors.
Only 2
Mostly,
colors.
Yes, I make one single color or 2 colors.
Okay, 2
Yes,
colors
sir.
or single color. If at
Single
all,
color.
if you are wanting to have some different color, you can always request the shop owner. They will help you with the colors. All right.
Sir, this
What about this article, sir?
sir, coding work with full neckline concept.
This is it zari work, sir?
Zari work, yes, sir.
Okay.
Coding concept, and it's with sleeves work and with lace work,
All right, all right.
and digital print dupatta.
Digital print dupatta. Very nice combination actually. And what about the fabric used for the
Fabric
top, sir?
is Chanderi silk fabric.
Chanderis. So these are all semi-party wear actually. You can
Yes.
use such suits for small occasions
Yes, sir.
basically. All right. Moving on to the next article. Brilliant.
This is my
This is simply awesome.
lehenga choli, sir.
Crop
And
top, hai na?
yes, crop top. It's called crop top also.
Just wait, just wait. Look at the camera. Wow. Yeah. Excellent. Could you elaborate more
Yes,
on
sir.
this?
So it's a full coding work and with full jerkin on it. This
What is the jhalkan?
jerkin?
Jerkin.
This is the diamond work.
Diamond work.
Yes, it's
Okay,
called jerkin work, and it's a original mirror work, not a duplicate. It won't get black. It will be silver as it is. It's looking. If you
Okay.
keep it, it won't get black.
Okay, and what about wash? Is it home wash or the dry cleaning?
First wash, dry cleaning.
Okay, and then
Yes.
easy wash, home
Yes,
wash.
easy wash.
Okay. Look at the reverse side of the top. This is something mirror work, and again diamond work all over. And this is the bottom part
Lehenga.
with again with mirror work. So this looks very elegant, you know.
Yes, sir.
This makes the entire suit, entire crop top very look very elegant. And my dear viewers, be rest assured about the prices. Prices are quite reasonable here. So once again, I would like to tell you that we are not revealing the prices only due to business reasons, because they are wholesalers. Otherwise, there will be a problem in the market. Okay. Next article, please.
So this is a jacket style pattern, and it's on neck.
Jacket style.
Yes, and I have done it on chain work. This work is called chain work, and
some pearl work also
pearl
could
work.
be seen here.
Yes, sir. And full stone work and mirror work I have done on it.
Okay,
to
and these are
elaborate-
latkas,
yes,
huh?
This hangings are on with
Tassels, yeah.
Tassels,
yes.
Yes, and front back work both with jacket.
This
and
looks quite elegant, and look at the bottom part, actually bottom work. I mean, could you please highlight it to our
Yes,
viewers?
sir. Yes, sir.
So that they get an idea. Yes. Beautiful. And show the reverse side also at the same time.
back side.
Back,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
reverse side. This is the reverse portion of the gown. This is gown actually.
Lehenga choli. it's
Lehenga
called.
choli,
Yes,
okay.
sir. And it's on
So
strut
is it
pattern.
attached or
No, it is not
it can
attached.
be detached actually?
Yes, sir.
It can be detached.
Detached can be. It
Okay,
can be.
fine. Next article.
So all the qualities would be superb quality.
Superb
yes, sir.
quality, yes.
Very good quality. This is full handwork concept.
This is
Yes.
beautiful actually.
Pink color, peach color. It you can call it peach color, and full able work, handwork I have done it on it.
Okay.
Yes, and
I'm taking the close up just so that you get an idea, viewers. Look at this. All diamond work.
yes, sir. And full lehenga is also full with stone and
with,
mirror work.
Mirror work and
Yes,
stone.
touch up.
All right,
And that is full transy look. Backside is full transy. If any customer doesn't like this, they can simply
They can
cover.
replace this
Yes,
actually
no,
with
they
some-
can simply cover it with
okay.
cloth.
With the cloth. Okay. With the
Yes,
cloth.
sir.
Of chair. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hold it like this. No, the front portion. Yes. Okay. This is the getup you get. Look at this. All right. Next article, please.
Gown concept, and I make this gown pattern in 4 to 5 colors. Some colors are dark and some colors are light. This is my very trending pattern, and I sell it. It's
a hot cake actually.
Hot cake, yes, sir. And full handwork concept, and this is gown full layered one gown.
It's a fast moving article here at this shop. Look at this. Beautiful. Okay. This is one piece with dupatta, na?
Yes, dupatta.
All right. Could you hold it for us like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Keep your hand little down. Yes. Wait. Yes. Beautiful. Next article.
Tree work with wine color and full stone work and mirror work with it.
Brilliant. Just wait, ऐसी hold कीजिएगा. हाँ, बिल्कुल. Beautiful. Okay, sir. कुछ बताइए इसके बारे में. Give us some detailing about
yes,
this.
This is gown pattern with wine color.
Wine color.
Yes, and RE work. Full I have done RE work and full stone touch up.
So there is some
handwork
embroidery
concept.
also. Embroidery
yes,
work
full
also.
embroidery
could be seen.
concept, and with I have done it on stone and mirror work, pearl work.
Okay.
Front back work both are.
This is on net fabric. Is it on net fabric?
Net fabric, yes, sir.
Okay. This is the reverse side. This is pure and pure party wear from SS Garments.
Yes, sir.
All right. Look at the flare. Flare is also very nice.
Very flary look.
Very flary. Okay. Next article, sir. This is something Indo-Western.
Yes, Indo-Western concept.
Indo-Western. I think, my dear viewers, I think you have been, requesting to, cover Indo-Western stuff. So I think this is the right article for you. Indeed.
Yes, it's a sequence
If
work.
not many, I think I could see one
Yes, sir.
on the rack actually. Okay.
It's a sequence work with bottle green cover
Okay.
color.
This color is quite
Yes.
interesting actually.
And it
Mustard color.
Mustard color with concept.
bottle green.
Yes.
Crop top. A perfect combination actually.
Yes, sir.
And dupatta with all over taping.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
So it's
beautiful.
a dupatta with this flary.
Okay, it's very flary. Okay, could you please? Yes. One moment. Interesting. So this is one Indo-Western article. All right. Next article, sir.
Gown
Okay.
with
Gajri color.
stone and moti work
Okay.
and full coding work I have done on it. And
Could you please highlight this?
yes, sir.
The bottom. Yes. This is all diamond work all over
Yes, sir.
with zari work. Zari and
work.
diamond work.
Yes, sir.
Basically. So this comes with a dupatta.
Dupatta with four-sided border and fancy dupatta
all
work.
taping on all the four sides.
Yes, sir.
All right, and net fabric.
Net fabric.
Dupatta comes on the net fabric and gown on which fabric? Sir?
Net fabric, sir.
Net fabric.
Yes, sir. Front
All right.
back work. And
Look at the reverse side of the gown. It's a pure, party wear.
Yes, sir. It comes with fancy hangings like
Yeah, tassels. Yes. Beautiful tassels. Next article, sir.
With the
Indo-Western
center.
pattern.
Yes, with the center cut and full sequence work, embroidery Tesham work.
Okay. Could you please highlight the bottom portion?
Bottom it come with lehenga and pant.
Lehenga
Both
and pant.
combo. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
We provide.
This is, I think, front open
yes,
pattern, huh?
Yes, sir. I've made two with pant also and with lehenga also.
Also with lehenga also,
Yes,
with
both
pant
both
also.
will come in this piece.
Okay, so it's up to
Combo.
you what you like actually.
Yes,
if
sir.
you want lehenga, you will get lehenga. Else you can have
No, it will come both.
lehenga
inside.
or acha, both.
will
Okay.
be provided. You can wear it whatever you like.
Okay, so this is something different.
Different.
You're getting a choice actually. Either you can wear a pant or a lehenga.
Yes, sir.
On this top.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Front
Awesome.
back work.
This is full
the
length.
reverse size.
Full
Yes,
length.
sir.
I think jacket style.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next article, please. This is simply
Celebrity
beautiful
look.
actually. I have no words to express.
Yes,
This
sir.
is very elegant. Look at this,
I've
viewers.
made it on black and white concept.
What is the fabric you, sir?
Fabrics are viscose georgette fabric.
Viscose georgette. All
Yes, sir.
right. And
And-
this comes with false mirror, embroidery, and look at this. What do we have in the bottom?
Bottom also sarara.
Okay,
That's
sharara.
also with work.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Look at the sharara. Mind-blowing sharara with false mirror work and what is called, I think, embroidery.
Embroidery, yes,
All right. And dupatta,
Dupatta with net fabric.
net fabric, taping all
Taping
over.
all over and stone
right.
work.
Along with the stone
Stone
work.
work.
All right. So look at this article. This is top and this is garara
Garara.
with false mirror work along with the embroidery, and it comes along with the dupatta, and dupatta is on the net fabric along and has stone work on it. So this is how it looks. Beautiful. थोड़ा सा साथ में रखना. Beautiful. Next article. I think this is the last article
Yes,
of
sir.
this episode.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
This is a jacket type with gota patti work and full mirror work embroidery. And these
mirror
are real mirrors.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And yellow and pink color combination.
Good combination
Contrast.
actually. And this is
Firozi color.
Firozi color. Okay.
It's called a blue color, light blue.
So it's
pastel
one
shade.
piece actually, huh?
Yes, sir.
It's a single piece.
No, it's a crop
Gown
top.
actually.
No,
Acha,
it's a
crop top. Okay.
Yes,
It
sir.
is detached actually. Okay.
Yes, sir. And it's a belt also with work.
Okay. Could you please show the reverse side of this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This looks like this. Beautiful. And it has, frill work on the bottom.
Yes, sir.
All right. Hold it
This
like
is the
this.
front
Yes.
look.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
No problem.
This
Welcome.
wonderful information. Hope guys this video would have been quite informative for you. If you have liked this video, then you may please hit the like button, share this video as much as you can. Last but not the least, please do subscribe to our channel. The name of our channel is Metro Heights, and thank you once again for watching this video. Thank you so much, sir.
No problem. Welcome.